Hi, I am Ruchita Maheshwari and welcome to my channel Prof. Elite. As you can see from the title itself, today I am trying to cover the complete car vocabulary. So let's start with the first thing to unlock your car. So this is my key fob. With the help of this, I can unlock my car like this. If you have an old car model, then you can unlock the car with the help of a key manually. So let's go and see the interior of my car. Before entering the car, this is the door handle. So you have to pull this handle to open the door. Plus, this is the side mirror, which is actually used by overtaking. Let's get inside the car and see the interior of the car. I am on the driver's seat and this is the passenger seat. The first thing that you have to do while sitting in the car is to fasten your seatbelt. That is very important for security purpose. Adjust as per your convenience and you have to attach it like that. Okay. So this is the first thing you should do. And now the next thing is dashboard. This is complete dashboard. This is an instrument cluster which includes speedometer, fuel gauge and RPM, that is for the temperature meter. This is an automatic car. If you are in a manual car, this particular portion contains the gear shift where you can apply different kinds of the gear while driving in car. And if you want to draw an attention for anyone, you can honk the horn like this. This is the infotainment system which contains the screen and all other kinds of the buttons, controlling buttons which help you to finding out the navigation, or if you want to blow music, you can use with the help of a radio, or you can apply any Bluetooth device and run your music and enjoy it while driving. This is the glove compartment. You can open it like this, which is used to keep the documents, but in India we usually keep a lot of things in this, and this is a kind of storage compartment. And this is the central console between the passenger and the driver seat, which help you to keep certain glasses or cups. We can say it's a cup holders, and plus there is a tray also, and this is the storage also. You can keep certain items of food articles. This is sunroof. You can open it with the help of this button. You can press it like this. Sunroof is what? It is tilted open or completely taken off to have the fresh light and the air. And now you go for the long drive. So this is about the sunroof. When we talk about the moonroof, certain cars are having a moonroof, which is actually not taken off. It can't be taken off. You just can't. It is transparent and you can just have a light from it. This is the complete door panel. Contains storage compartment where you can keep your water bottle. Plus there are certain switches which help you to adjust your seat, side mirror, as well as it contains the switches for your window, which we can roll up the window. This is an automatic car, so it has only two pedals, that is the brake and the accelerator. When we talk about the gear shifter, here we are having the gear shifter where with the help of this you can apply reverse, parking, driving and the neutral one. So this is all about the interior car vocabulary. Let's move towards the exterior car vocabulary. Exterior car vocabulary. Let's see the backside of the car vocabulary. That is an antenna which help you to get the signals for the radio. This is the car trunk, or you can say boot, और अगर हम इंडिया में बोले तो इसे हम डिक्की बोलते हैं. Or when it's open, you can see there is a boot space. You can keep all your luggage to go anywhere out of the vacation or wherever you want. तो अगर हम बात करते हैं boot space की या डिक्की की, तो different cars are having different boot space as per their own structures, like SUV or hatchback or some other cars. So this is all about the boot space. If you close it, and this is the backlight assembly. There are three kinds of the light you can see over here: the brake light, parking light, and the reverse light. And this part, we say the bumper. And here it is a gas tank of fuel tank. You have to press it like this, and you can fill your fuel at any fuel station. This is the complete wheel, and the black part, rubber part is known as tire, and this is known as alloy. This is fender, which actually protect your tire from the mud and the debris. If anything penetrates in your tire, then the rear tire becomes straight. In some Hindi में puncture बोलते हैं. That is called flat tire. Now let's see the front side of the car vocabulary. The big glass that is known as windshield. It has two wipers, which is actually used during the rain for the clear vision. Plus, you can use this wipers to clear the glass. This is the bonnet or the hood, which is actually covers or protect the car engine. Besides, this is the front light assembly, and it has the parking light, driving light, and DRL light. And this is the radiator ring and the front bumper. Now that I have finally finished teaching you guys the whole car vocabulary, so let's me take you for a drive. So first of all, what I have to do, as I told you in the video also, that first the foremost thing that you have to tighten your seat belt like this. Then in case if it's a sunny bright day, you can use this sun visor, so it will help you while driving. Turn on the engine and let's go for the drive.